Yellow bunga. Yellow. Yellow. And that's how quick, guys. You stay connected to this rainforest, I just connect you more. Just like you feel at home once you walk through the smoke. It blows all your worries, all your stress. You walk this rainforest full-minded, fresh. So you walk away, you leave nothing but your footprints behind. You leave with good spirit. Then what I say to the fire, all I gotta say is Yirabinga, hello old man spirit. Yiragamba, hello old woman spirit. The women and men of the rainforest I hunted ages ago. Yiramaja is the rainforest itself, so we're called rainforest Amaja, translating God or boss. Alright? So I'll call out to those three, saying to the fire that you guys are my Joe and Gure. Once you walk through the smoke, you're my brother and sister, family or friend. Okay? Joe and Gure Wawu Ganga, Wawu means your spirit keeping company with our spirit until you leave from this area. So I just marked out those borderline where we are at. Only one smoking ceremony can keep you all strong and powerful in that area. So you leave, this thing, break off them, until next time you get the smoking ceremony. And that's what I said there. Yalada, thank you. Pretty good? Mm-hmm. All right.